Hey friends, happy Wednesday! Are you ready to create a quick and easy, simple card featuring our background stamps? I think they're sometimes overlooked in our collection, right? So today we're gonna feature them, a brand new one from our online exclusives. And this is today's card. It's so fun, pool party, black and white, simple and sleek, right? It looks clean. Love today's card, so let's get started. Okay, friends. Oh, I'm so excited about today's card. It is so quick and easy. You can make cards in like 5 minutes flat. They are so easy, simple, quick, and beautiful. So today's card is going to feature 2 stamp sets. One, our sentiment is from our Sweetly Scripted. This is an online exclusive. It's got happy anniversary, congratulations, happy birthday, a million thanks, speedy recovery, and save the date. And really any of these sentiments will work with today's card. We're going to use happy birthday, but any of them will work. And then one of my favorite things are these great background stamps. And so this one to me is so beautiful. The drizzling droplets. It's kind of two-toned when you stamp it, right? It's distinctive, so it is going to showcase kind of light and dark while you're only using one ink. And these background stamps make card making so fast and so quick, so easy, because you don't need all the designer papers and all the things, right? This can create a fun background for you, so easy peasy. Okay, so I've already got everything cut, all of our card pieces cut and ready to go. So we will get started with these. Remember, as always, if you are subscribed to my weekly Buzz Bulletin, you will get all of the step-by-step instructions on a free printable PDF every single Thursday. I will send that out. It's also got all of the measurements, all of the card measurements, and all of that for you, ready to go, easy peasy. You can also find any past card templates, step-by-step instructions on my blog at stampinqueenbee.com. So I've just folded some Pool Party as our base, so we'll set that aside. We've got a black layer that we'll use here in a minute. We've got our inside layer, and we've got 2 other pieces of basic white. This is great for using scraps up. And so the first thing we're going to do, let me just move some of this to the side, is we've got our background stamp here. So I've got this on our biggest block already. And how I like to do this, because they are so big, the background stamps, it's really hard to take the whole thing and stamp it down. It's heavier, right? So I just like to put it on its back side, and we'll take some Pool Party ink here. Let me open that up. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna ink it upside down. So I'm just gonna go over the entire background stamp. You can use this technique on any of them. We're just gonna make sure that the ink is all over there. And then I've got my basic white that I've already cut. And so we're gonna take this piece, and I like to just set it right on top. And then I like to take a grid piece of paper, a scrap paper, whatever you have. And then I like to put that on top so my fingers don't get all inky. And just give that kind of a little back massage, right? So we're just rubbing that on. So then we'll remove our paper so that we didn't get too inky of fingers, right? And then we just take our layer here and pick it up, and we've got our whole design. How fun, right? And so no matter where you put that paper, if you put it up a little bit, you'll get more full. If you put it down a little bit, you'll get a little more. So what I love is that it creates a different card, right, for each one. Okay, so then we'll set that aside. And we've got our basic white scrap here. And we've got our sentiment, our happy birthday. So I'm gonna ink this up the same way, kind of upside down, right? This is just with our Memento black ink. Okay, so we can see the ink is all on there, just how we want it. This one I'm gonna go ahead and stamp it down. So we've got our happy birthday. And this, of course, is far too big, right? Far too big for our paper, but that's okay. So we're gonna first take our pool party card base here. So it's just our card base. We're gonna take our inside layer piece, just some basic white, add a little bit of liquid glue there. And we'll just go ahead and put that right on the inside. Then we're gonna take our black layer here and we're gonna take some more of our liquid glue and just put those two together. So far, so fast and so easy, right? Then we're gonna take our happy birthday here and we can do in the middle, we could do it at the top. I mean, wherever you really want to put this will work. And so what I like to do is so I don't have to figure out cutting it, right? I'm just using a scrap here. So I'll just kind of center my happy birthday on here. And then I just take this and fold it right around, okay? And so now it's gonna go around easy. So then I'm just gonna take just a tiny bit of glue here. And we've already got our fold marks, right? So we'll just put that wherever we want to center that onto our card. And then these pieces, I just kind of do the same thing with. Little bit of glue, hold it down. Sometimes gotta hold it down a second, right? Okay, so that is on there. So far, so good, right? Easy, easy, quick and easy. That's today's theme. Now, I've already cut a strip of our pool party ribbon. This is retiring soon, but it still is available. I checked right before the video. One of my favorite colors, pool party. Love that ribbon. So we're gonna take this, we're gonna take a tiny bit of our Stampin' Seal Plus, and we're just gonna give it a little bit. Hopefully you can see that right underneath. You can see that adhesive there, right? Okay, so then we're just gonna take this and put it right on top of that adhesive. We're gonna flip it over. We're gonna do the same thing. And we're just gonna adhere that right on the back. Backside doesn't need to be perfect, right? And so then we've got this pretty ribbon layer right underneath, right? Sometimes with this thicker ribbon, when you make a bow, it gives a lot of dimension to your card, right? So this way you can do it and keep your card flatter. We're just gonna add a few Stampin' Dimensionals here. And then we are almost done, friends. Quick and easy, quick and easy. And you can absolutely assembly line the background stamp. You can absolutely assembly line your sentiments and cutting all your layers. So you can do a bunch of these cards and have them ready to go. Okay, so we just put that on with our Stampin' Dimensionals. We've got our inside layer piece. Such a beautiful card. And of course, you know, I always say, can never have too much bling. So we're gonna use these faceted gem trios. They are beautiful. There's like a pool party, there's a silver, and there is a gray. Super, super pretty. You could really use any of them. We're gonna use these pool party ones. And we're just gonna go ahead and pop 3 of them on. I like them because they're about the same size as our drizzling droplets are here. So they totally match, right? And we'll put one more right on the bottom, kind of right there. Perfect. So there you have our quick and easy cards. You really could use them for any occasion, right? And I love, love, love showcasing our background stamps. So you can find these and the sentiments from today both in our online exclusive store. You can find all the measurements for these will be up on my blog, or you can subscribe to my weekly Buzz Bulletin and get yours emailed to you every single week so you never miss a thing. Totally free from me. So hope you enjoyed today's quick and easy card, and I will see you next week for more fun.